have a repeatable rack.
Some things apparently. At dito, dahil alam na ng Taguig na nasa rurok na sila ng tagumpay.
Para pwede mo nang itala ito sa Manila MSW Mavericks, especially munti ka pa mga mag-golden break.
Oh, muntik mag-golden break. Kaya lang manipis yung punta ng 9 sa corner eh. That's the kind of rhythm you would want to see. Yung lakad nila sa mesa na with full conviction, di ba? Ayan, dyan gusto dalhin ni The Dragon. Doon sila naniniguro and that is something that you would like to see with how the Mavericks is moving at this
Right.
point.
O yun, sinasabi ko sa
Hindi
corner.
pabaya eh.
Oo. Kung may mga doubles tournament, pwede ko silang ilalaban ko talaga itong dalawa.
Gumamit pa ng extension for good measure. Maniniguro si Anton Raga.